Welcome to U.S. Property Insurance and Taxes, a video by RBC Bank that helps Canadians just like you step into the U.S. dream home you've always wanted. Your new U.S. dream home will be a valuable asset. You'll need to protect your investment as well as your most important belongings with the right insurance coverage. You'll also want to understand what to expect to pay for your property taxes and your options for paying them. So let's dive right in. First, let's talk about insurance, an industry where each provider must adhere to local, state, or federal compliances. You'll want to purchase a policy that will fully cover all of your U.S. assets. Not only do you want the right protection, but if you have a mortgage on the property, the lender will require adequate coverage to rebuild the home to its existing state. With lots to consider, the best place to start is where you already are. Check with your current Canadian insurance provider to see if they can cover your U.S. property. Some insurance companies have international coverage, but many don't. If you need to find an insurer that covers U.S. properties, you can always check with your U.S. real estate agent to see if there's a local insurance advisor they can recommend. It's important to know there are different types of home coverage typically required in the U.S. Homeowners insurance is the primary insurance you'll need, and in some cases, you may also need to add coverage for flooding, earthquakes, or hurricanes if available in your area. For example, if your home is located in a federally recognized flood zone, you'll be required by your lender to have flood insurance, possibly above what might be provided through your homeowners association. If you plan to rent out your U.S. home, you may need additional liability coverage. And if you have a lot of valuables, you may want additional riders on your policy to cover those. Cost of your insurance coverage will depend on multiple factors, including the value of your home and assets, where your property is located, and the amount of coverage you have. Now that you're covered with insurance, let's talk about property taxes. Depending on where you buy and the value of your property, taxes can be a small inconvenience or not so small. Wondering what to expect? According to the U.S. Census Bureau, the average American household spends $2,279 on property taxes for their homes each year. But the effective real estate tax rate ranges state by state, with Hawaii being the lowest, currently at 0.27%, to New Jersey being the highest at 2.44%, and popular snowbird states like Florida, Arizona, and California all coming in under 1%. If you purchase your home outright or pay off your mortgage, you'll pay your property taxes directly to the county where the home is located. Otherwise, when buying property in the U.S., it's common, but not required, to fold your property taxes, as well as your homeowner's insurance premium, into your mortgage payment. This service, offered by your financial institution, is called escrow, and is an easy way to make sure payments are made when they're due, whichever side of the border you're on. If you're interested in learning more about escrow, one of our cross-border mortgage advisors can help you. Let RBC Bank guide you on your journey south, and you'll find buying your U.S. dream home is easier than you think.